Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the Earth? What is the Earth made up of? Yes, our Earth is a dynamic planet. Dynamic means active or an energetic. Our Earth is a energetic planet because it always has some changes inside and on the outside of the Earth. We all know that the Earth is covered by 71% of water and 29% of Earth is covered by continents and islands. And plants or animals or and humans can live on Earth. But do you know what is present in the inside of the Earth? Have you ever think about that? In this chapter, we are going to learn about the inner side of the Earth. Okay, interior of the Earth. Just like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers on the continental masses and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. The inner side of the earth is look like a onion. The onion has so many layers in its inner side, right? Likewise, the earth also has layers in its interior. Like this. The top layer of the earth is called as crust. This top layer is called as crust. The depth of this crust is smaller than the other layers. Look at this. The depth of the length of the crust is lower than the smaller than the other layers. So this is the thinnest layer of the interior of the earth. Okay, it is about 35 kilometer in the continental crust. Continental crust means the land side, but the crust is in only 5 kilometer depth in the ocean part of the earth. In 35 kilometer in the land part of the earth, which is called as continental mass, and only 5 kilometer in the ocean parts. And so many minerals also present in the crust. The main mineral constituents of the continental masses are silica and alumina. It is thus called shale. S for silica and Al, Si silica and Al alumina. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called SiMa. Si silica and Ma magnesium. Yes, the many minerals are present in the crust. The main minerals which are present in the continental, this is the continental crust. The main mineral present in the continental crust is silicon and alumina. In short, it is called a shale. Si for silicon and Al for alumina. And the main mineral present in the ocean, this is the oceanic crust. The main mineral present in there is silica and magnesium. In short, it is called as SiMa. SiMa, Si means silicon and Me for magnesium. Okay. And just beneath the crust is the mantle, which extends up to a depth of 2900 km below the crust. And the layer below the crust, the layer beneath of the or below the crust is called as mantle. This yellow layer is called as mantle. This is in 2900 km depth. This mantle layer is in 2900 km depth. And magma is present in this layer. In this layer, magma is present. When the magma pushed through the holes in the crust, it will cause volcanic eruptions. When the magma present in the mantle come out, it will cause the volcanic eruption. The innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3500 km. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called Ni. Ni for nickel and Fe for ferrous, that is iron. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Yes, the lowermost, this is the lowermost layer of the earth interior is called core, which is in depth of 3500 kilometers. The core is in the depth of 3000. It is in the radius of 3500 kilometer. To reach the center part of the earth, center part of the earth, we have to dig a hole of 6000 kilometer on the ocean. That is not possible to reach. The depth of the center part of the center part of the earth is in the depth of 6000 kilometer in the ocean. Okay. And high temperature and pressure is present in this core region. The mineral present in the core region are nickel and iron. Nickel and iron is present in core. It is called Ni. Ni for nickel and Fe for ferrous, which means iron. The chemical formula for iron is Fa. So these are the layers present in the interior of the earth. What are they? Crust. The topmost layer is called crust, and the next layer is mantle, and the innermost layer is core. Today we have discussed about the inside of the earth. I hope you all are understand this. Thank you, children.